Should blackheads be extracted? Yes, blackheads can be extracted, but it is recommended to have extractions performed by a trained professional, such as a dermatologist or an esthetician. They have the knowledge and expertise to safely extract blackheads without causing unnecessary damage to the skin. Professional extractions involve using specialized tools and techniques to gently remove the contents of the blackhead, including the buildup of oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. They can also provide a sterile environment to minimize the risk of infection. Extractions can be beneficial for individuals who have stubborn or deeply embedded blackheads that are not responding well to other treatments. However, it's important to note that extractions should be done selectively and in moderation, as excessive or improper extraction can lead to skin damage, scarring, or even the spread of bacteria. If you're considering blackhead extraction, it's best to consult with a dermatologist or an esthetician who can assess your skin and provide appropriate guidance. They can determine if extractions are necessary and perform them safely to minimize the risk of complications.